Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to open a Robinhood Roth IRA. If you're new to investing or just starting your retirement planning, a Roth IRA is an awesome tool because it allows your investments to grow tax-free. Plus, Robinhood makes the process straightforward and commission-free. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to download the Robinhood app from your phone's app store or head to their website on your computer. It's free and user-friendly. Once that's done, sign up for an account by providing basic details like your name, email, phone number, and creating a secure password. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Next, verify your identity. Robinhood will ask you to link a bank account or upload some ID to comply with regulations. This step usually takes just a few minutes and ensures your account is protected. Now, log in and navigate to the Investing section. Look for the IRA options. Robinhood offers both traditional and Roth IRAs, so make sure to select Roth. You'll be prompted to answer a few eligibility questions, like your age. You need to be at least 18, and income level, since there are contribution limits based on that. If you're eligible, it's time to fund your account. Link your bank account and transfer money in. For 2023, the annual contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $6,500 if you're under 50, or $7,500 if you're 50 or older. Remember, you can only contribute earned income, so keep that in mind. Once funded, you can start investing. Browse Robinhood's selection of stocks, ETFs, and other assets to build your portfolio. A quick tip: diversify your investments to minimize risk, and consider starting small if you're a beginner. Opening a Roth IRA on Robinhood is a smart move for long-term growth, but always do your own research or consult a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.